Hello everyone. Today we will study chapter number 9, movement in animals. In this chapter we will study about how the different animals move along with human beings, how they move, bones, muscles, cartilage and x-ray. The term movement means the act of moving. Different organisms show different type of movement. Like fishes, they can swim, butterfly, they can fly, frog, they can show the hopping movement, whereas caterpillar show the creeping movement. In plants, when we are considering, then we are saying that one, when they remain in the same place and moves only their body part, we call it as a movement. Whereas in case of animals, they can move from one place to another place. This we call it as a locomotion. And animals can move from one place to another place for various reasons, either in the search of food and shelter, to escape from predators, and for the reproduction. Movement depends on the body structure of the animals as well as on their activities that they are doing it. So movement in animals, if we are considering that all animals do not have bones to support their body movement, depending on that one, we can categorize animal into two categories on the basis of presence of backbone. They are the vertebrates and the invertebrates. Invertebrates are the animals that do not have backbone. Example likewise cockroach, earthworm. Whereas vertebrates are the animals that have backbone. उसमें example आता है cat, dog, human beings. The way animals move, we call it as a gait. The presence or absence of backbone affects the gait of animals. Now we can study the gait of some animals and the features that help them to move. Earthworms, which are mainly found in soil, they do not have bones or the limbs, but they are having a special muscles and hair-like structure which we call as a setae, and their body is segmented forms and this is rings all over their body. और वी कैन से दैट वन जो ये रिंग लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है उनकी बॉडी पे, जिसको हम कहते हैं सेगमेंट्स, और सीटे हैं ये क्या होते हैं, दे आर प्रेजेंट ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द सेगमेंट्स ऑफ द अर्थवॉर्म बॉडी. Earthworm moves by crawling. They first what they do, earthworm fixes the rear portion to the ground. अपना जो rear portion है उसको ground से fix कर देते हैं. सो क्या होता है, एंड एक्सटेंड द फ्रंट पार्ट ऑफ इट्स बॉडी. तो जो मसल्स है उस रीजन की वो क्या हो जाएंगी, रिलैक्स हो जाएगी. फिर नेक्स्ट वो क्या करता है, अर्थवॉर्म फिक्सेस द फ्रंट पोर्शन, अपना आगे का जो पोर्शन है उसको फिक्स कर देता है ग्राउंड से और रिलीज कर देता है अपना पीछे वाला पोर्शन को. सो बाय दिस अल्टरनेट कॉन्ट्रैक्शन एंड रिलैक्सेशन ऑफ द मसल्स इट मूव्स फॉरवर्ड slowly. Earthworms also secrete a slimy substance, sticky slimy substance होता है, which helps them in easy movement. As shown in the diagram, कि first it fixes the front part of the body and relax the rear part of the body, and again it fixes its rear part and release its front part, so that contraction and relaxation of the muscles helps them to move forward. Snails are commonly found on land or in soil. They are also known for their slow movement. बहुत धीरे धीरे चलते हैं. द एवरेज स्पीड ऑफ ए गार्डन स्नेल तो केवल होती है 1 millimeter per second. Snail body consists of a hard rounded structure on top of a snail. उसके बाहर आउटर कवरिंग होती है जिसको हम कह देते हैं outer skeleton or the shell. This shell does not play any role in the movement, but it gives the protection to the animal. Snail move with the help of a thick foot made of strong muscles. जो उसका thick foot है वो उसको help करता है और वो बना हुआ होता है स्ट्रॉन्ग मसल्स का। इट्स बॉडी कंसिस्ट ऑफ मेनली हेड, टेंटिकल्स एंड द लॉन्ग मस्कुलर फुट. Snail shows a wavy movement with muscular contraction, or we can say that one muscles of the foot move like a wave. स्नेल्स ऑल्सो सिक्रीट स्टिकी सब्सटेंस, चिपचिपा स्टिकी सब्सटेंस सिक्रीट करता है अपनी बॉडी से, जिसको हम बोल देते हैं म्यूकस, और वो उसको हेल्प करता है टू रिड्यूस द ग्रिप बिटवीन द स्नेल एंड द ग्राउंड. ग्राउंड और स्नेल के बीच की जो ग्रिप है उसको रिड्यूस करने में हेल्प करता है, सो दैट दे कैन मूव ईजीली, एंड दिस ऑल्सो हेल्पफुल इन द प्रिवेंशन फ्रॉम द इंजरी. ये जो स्टिकी सब्सटेंस है वो उसको किसी इंजरी से भी रोकने में हेल्प करता है. Cockroach is an insect and it is a terrestrial animal which is found on the land, means, and commonly it is a household pest. It shows various types of locomotion. They can walk, swim and fly. Their body is divided into three parts: head, thorax and the abdomen, and they are having three pairs of legs and are present, and two pairs of wings. Muscles in the cockroaches which are attached to the legs and the wings help cockroaches to move. They can walk and climb with the help of their legs and leg muscles. When they fly short distance, जब उनको छोटा सा short distance पे कोई fly करना होता है तो वो अपनी with the help of wings और the wing muscles उसको help करेगी fly करने में.